Alright, you guys, we are live on YouTube tonight. We figured we'd give you a little treat with our newest song, Spirit Walker. You are two birds, one stone, and we look forward to seeing you soon.
Two birds.